Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to do Egyptian dance. We'll start by establishing a strong foundation with proper posture and elegant arm lines. Then, we'll dive into the core of Egyptian dance, those captivating hip movements and isolations. You'll learn how to make your body tell a story through fluid transitions and expressive gestures. Get ready to move with grace and confidence, embracing the rich cultural heritage of this beautiful art form. Now let's focus on those essential hip movements that define Egyptian dance. We'll begin with the hip drop, ensuring your movements are relaxed and grounded. Next, we'll tackle the hip lift, concentrating on precise control as you move up and down. Once comfortable, we'll combine these to create a beautiful, flowing hip figure 8. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time with each movement. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more dance content. On another note, just as dance can transform your body, a good book can transform your mind. I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth if you're looking to change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond the hips, expressive arm and hand movements truly elevate your Egyptian dance. We'll explore graceful arm sweeps and delicate hand gestures that add layers of meaning. Don't forget your facial expressions and eye contact. They are crucial for storytelling and connecting with your audience. Finally, we'll integrate traveling steps, turns, and pivots to make your dance dynamic and captivating. Let your whole body speak.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.